Listen up. This rule hurts a little because it exposes the lie most of us are living. Here's the truth. Your life is not stuck because you're not smart enough. It's stuck because you're waiting for the right time, waiting to feel confident, waiting for money, waiting for motivation. And Jack Ma straight up said this in his own way. If you don't start now, you'll never start. Real talk, perfection is fake. It's just fear wearing a clean outfit. Most people think successful people had it figured out before they started. Nope, they started confused, broke, embarrassed, low-key scared. Jack Ma got rejected from 30-plus jobs. KFC said no. Harvard said no multiple times. People laughed at him, straight up laughed. But he didn't wait to feel ready. He moved while being doubted, and that's where most people fail. Because when your life feels messy, your brain says, fix everything first, then start. But life doesn't work like that. You don't clean your life before moving forward. You clean it by moving forward. 2026 won't rebuild you if you sit there planning all year. It rebuilds you when you take ugly action. Here's what ugly action looks like. Posting that video even though your voice shakes. Starting the gym even though you feel out of shape. Applying for the job even though you don't meet every requirement. Starting the business even though your logo sucks. No cap. Everyone you admire started messy. The problem? Social media shows you the highlight reel, not the struggle tape. So you think you're behind. You're not behind. You're just early in the process. Jack Ma said something powerful. Opportunities lie in places where people complain. Translation? While everyone's whining, scrolling, and waiting, builders are moving. 2026 is not about motivation. Motivation fades. It's about momentum. One small action today beats a perfect plan next year, because confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence comes from action. You don't wake up one day fearless. You earn fearlessness by showing up scared. Over and over again. Let me say this clearly, and this might sting. If you keep waiting for the perfect moment, you'll wake up in 2027 with the same problems, same habits, same regrets. And deep down, you already know that. This rule alone can change everything. Start broken. Start scared. Start now. Not tomorrow. Not next Monday. Not when life calms down. Life never calms down. The people who rebuild their lives aren't special. They just move while others hesitate. And if 2026 is going to be your comeback year, this is where it starts. Right here. With action. Real talk. This rule separates people who talk about changing from people who actually change. Because blaming feels good, it protects your ego, gives you excuses that sound smart. My parents didn't help me. The system is rigged. I didn't get lucky. The economy is trash. Listen, some of that might be true. No cap. But here's the hard truth Jack Ma lived by. Nobody is coming to save you. And once you accept that, you get your power back. Blame is easy. Ownership is uncomfortable. But ownership is the only thing that rebuilds a life. Jack Ma grew up poor. No rich family. No connections. No shortcuts. He could have stayed mad at the world forever. Instead, he said, if I fail, it's on me. That mindset changes everything. Because when you own everything, you control everything. Your habits, yours. Your results, yours. Your income, yours. Your future, yours. And yeah, that responsibility is heavy, but so is staying stuck. Most people secretly love blaming because it means they don't have to change. If it's someone else's fault, then they're off the hook. But listen up, you can't fix what you won't own. 2026 isn't about pointing fingers. It's about pointing the mirror at yourself. Ask yourself, why do I keep quitting? Why do I keep procrastinating? Why do I keep choosing comfort over growth? That's not hate. That's honesty. Jack Ma once said something that hit hard. If you don't give up, you still have a chance. But giving up doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it looks like scrolling, sleeping late, avoiding hard conversations, saying, I'll do it later, low-key. That's quitting in slow motion. Ownership means this. You don't blame your boss, you upgrade your skills. You don't blame your past, you rewrite your habits. You don't blame luck, you create opportunities. Straight up, the world doesn't reward victims. It rewards builders. And this part is important. Owning your life doesn't mean hating yourself. It means respecting yourself enough to change. Because the moment you stop blaming, You stop feeling powerless. You stop waiting. You stop complaining. You start moving different. 2026 doesn't need you perfect. It needs you responsible. And responsibility is freedom. Because when everything is your fault, everything is also fixable. Let that sink in. Listen up. This one hits hard because it's boring. And boring is what actually works. People want a new life, but they keep the same routine. Same wake-up time, same scrolling, same excuses, same comfort. And then they wonder why nothing changes. Here's the truth. Your life is just your habits on repeat. Nothing more, nothing less. Jack Ma didn't talk about motivation all day. He talked about discipline. He said something simple but powerful. If you don't work hard today, you'll regret tomorrow. Real talk, nobody accidentally builds a great life. It's built in the small, boring moments. What time you wake up, what you do in the first hour, what you feed your mind, who you listen to. Most people lose the day before it even starts. They wake up and grab their phone. Bad news, drama, comparison. Now their mind is cooked before breakfast. If you want a different life in 2026, your mornings must change. Not extreme, not perfect, just intentional. Here's a simple reset that actually works. Wake up 30 minutes earlier, no phone for the first 20 minutes. Move your body, even a little. Write one goal for the day, that's it. Low-key simple, high-key powerful. Because discipline beats motivation every time. Motivation disappears when life gets hard. Discipline shows up anyway, and Jack Ma understood this early. While others partied, he learned. While others slept, he studied. While others complained, he practiced. Not because he was special, because he was consistent. Consistency is the cheat code nobody wants to use. People ask, what's the secret? There is none. It's doing the boring stuff longer than everyone else. Let's be real. You don't need more information. You need fewer distractions. Your phone isn't evil, but uncontrolled, it's stealing your future. Every hour wasted scrolling is an hour you never get back. And no cap. Time doesn't care about your feelings. 2026 will come whether you're ready or not. So here's the rule. If you want to rebuild your life, rebuild your routine first. Not next month. Not when life slows down. Start tonight. Set your alarm. Plan your morning. Protect your focus. Because once your daily routine changes, your confidence changes. Your energy changes. Your standards change. And when your standards rise, your life follows. Listen carefully. This is the rule that ties everything together. Because you can start broken. You can take ownership. You can fix your routine. But if you don't believe in yourself, none of it sticks. Real talks, most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they don't think they're worth the effort. They don't say it out loud, but they feel it. They settle. They play small. They lower their dreams so rejection won't hurt as much. Jack Ma was surrounded by doubt. People told him he wasn't smart enough, not strong enough, not CEO material. And for a long time, the world agreed. But Jack Ma said something powerful. If you don't believe in yourself, nobody else will. Straight up, belief comes before results. You don't wait for proof. You become the proof. 2026 is not about proving people wrong. It's about proving yourself right. Because deep down, you already know. You're capable of more. You've been playing safe. You've been shrinking your potential. Low-key, that hurts more than failure. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Betting on yourself feels lonely at first. People won't clap when you start. They clap when you win. At the beginning, they doubt. They joke. They question you. That's normal. Every rebuilt life goes through this phase. The phase where nobody believes except you. And that's enough. Jack Ma kept going when nobody cared, when nobody invested, when nobody believed. He didn't need approval. He needed commitment. And so do you. Let this hit you. If you don't choose yourself in 2026, you'll spend another year living someone else's expectations. Another year scrolling. Another year procrastinating. Another year saying next year will be different. Enough. This is your moment. Not because the world is ready, but because you are tired of staying the same. So here are the 10 rules in one sentence. Start before you're ready. You own everything. Fix your routine. Stay disciplined. You learn non-stop. Think long-term. Build skills, not excuses. Protect your time. Accept failure. Zurian always bet on yourself. Jack Ma was right. The world doesn't reward comfort. It rewards courage. And courage isn't loud. It's quiet consistency. If this video hit you, if it felt like it was talking directly to you, do 3 things right now. Subscribe for more real content. Comment what rule hit you the hardest. And share this with someone who needs a comeback. Because 2026 can rebuild your entire life. But only if you decide that this time, you won't quit.